Oh, Roscoe, stop.
How tall those trees are. Dang. Nope, he's lost his family. Walking around a whole loop around this lake. Watch out for the fallen branches. Tripping on those. This is cool. Roscoe.
Something you never see down in Florida.
We were just over there on that dock. Huh. There we go. Now we're getting some leverage. This is awesome. Look at this. That's interesting to be on a trail, isn't it? There's a squirrel. I seen him. Roscoe, calm down. I know you want your family. Calm down.
That's mud right there.
Yep. Don't walk in the mud, dude. Don't walk in the mud. There you go. Ooh, here, catch the rowers. Out doing their rowing. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Hush, 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 hush. Can you see them? No, not very well. Not through the trees. But they're out there. We're gonna run now. We're running. Oh. Look, check that tree out.
On the tree and over the water.
Oh, that's awesome. I fell over.
Yeah, if you got a good balance.
That's so cool.
Don't be falling in. You're still living.
Ouch. Really gotta watch your feet here. All he does is whine for his family. No matter who's gone, he's whining. He's such a baby. Such a baby. Mushrooms. Oh, I stubbed my toe pretty good. Wow, it's so nice out here. The air's not thick. It's cool. This time of day in Florida, I'd be sweating buckets. Ooh, big old branch to walk over. Yeah, good thing I looked. Hush now. Come on, keep going. I don't know why you stopped. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little trail walk we were on. It's called the Argo Loop. Argo and Brandomere Park connect. Lots of things to do here. Can rent kayaks and canoes. Obviously, we've seen them out there in the water. Little places to stop off and go fishing. It's got little like a little bit of rapids going on we've seen. So all in all, it's been a really cool park.